Snapchat just released an AI chatbot. It's called My AI, and I wanted to show you exactly how to get it in this video. How to use it in this video and two different ways to get it if you don't have it for some reason after I show you. And this option used to only come with Snapchat Plus, which is paid subscription, but how it's available to every single person with free Snapchat account. So the first thing I recommend you do is go ahead and open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, look for Snapchat and press update because you need the latest version of Snapchat. So you could get Snapchat My AI chatbot, and when it's updated, go ahead and open Snapchat, and then it's going to open up the camera page, and all you have to do is slide over or press the little chat icon on the bottom. It's going to bring you to the chat page, and My AI is the first thing you should see right on the very top. If you don't see, I will show you. I will show you what to do in a second, but to access it, just click on it and then it's going to tell you exactly what it is. You could ask it anything. If you will use things like ChatGPT, for example, it's the same exact kind of a thing. It is often this keeps that chat, so after viewing you will disappear, or 24 hours after viewing it will basically hide itself, which is what is the setup to do, set to by default, and then you could ask it any question and it's going to get back at you. And then this type of chatbot has a lot of back and forth, and you also have some settings. So if you press the profile icon right here for My AI, it's going to actually give you some settings, so you can press the three dots and change all the settings. Is in the same you have with every friend on Snapchat anyway. One more useful thing is, especially if you don't have that option, but even if you do press your profile picture right on top on the camera page, and click the settings icon right over here, and then go all the way down to the spot page, the My AI has a tab for a click over here, and if you click how do I access it, going to take you to this access it, which is what I showed you, but it says it's rolling out slowly. So that's the one reason anymore might out not be available to you, but if you do have it this has turned off useful option about how My AI Snapchat chatbot works, so you could read a lot more about some of the things I did not cover in this video. But I hope you found this useful. I will see you next time.